Welcome to our comprehensive guide for the Class 8 Mathematics Periodic Test-I for the academic year 2026-27. Before you start preparing, it's crucial to understand the structure of your exam. The paper is divided into 5 sections, labeled A through E, each designed to test different aspects of your mathematical understanding. Section A consists of multiple choice and assertion reason questions. Section B features short answer questions. Section C and D include questions requiring detailed solutions, and Section E presents case-based integrated questions. You will have a total of 2 hours and 15 minutes to write the exam, with an additional 15 minutes allotted for reading the paper. Internal choices are provided in several sections, giving you some flexibility in selecting questions. All questions are compulsory, so time management is key. Let's break down each section and see how you can approach them effectively. Now let's dive into some of the key concepts and sample questions you may encounter. Section A tests your foundational knowledge with MCQs on topics like perfect squares, cubes, algebraic identities, and square roots. For example, you might be asked to find the square root of a decimal, identify which expression is not an algebraic identity, or solve for a variable given a cube root equation. Assertion reason questions require you to analyze statements and their explanations, so practice logical reasoning. In Section B, you'll solve problems like finding the least number to divide or multiply to get a perfect square or cube, or simplifying expressions using algebraic identities. These questions test both your calculation skills and your understanding of mathematical properties. Practicing these types of questions will help you build confidence and accuracy. Algebraic identities are powerful tools for simplifying complex expressions and solving equations efficiently. For instance, you might encounter questions where you need to use a plus b, 2 equals a 2 plus 2 ob plus b2, or ab, 2 equals a 2 ob plus b2 In Sections C and D, you'll apply these identities to simplify expressions or solve for unknowns. For example, simplifying x2 y2, x2 plus y2, x2 y22 requires recognizing patterns and applying the right identity. Similarly, you may need to solve equations involving ratios, cubes, or square roots, sometimes using the long division method. Mastering these identities not only saves time but also reduces errors. Practice by rewriting and simplifying expressions, and always check your steps for accuracy. This approach will help you tackle even the most challenging problems with confidence. The final section of your test, Section E, presents case-based questions that connect mathematical concepts to real-life scenarios. For example, you might be asked to calculate the side of a square card, the length of tape needed for its border, or the cost of making multiple cards, all based on a given area. Another case might involve designing a garden with specific dimensions, requiring you to use algebraic identities to find areas of flower beds and ponds. These questions test your ability to apply mathematical reasoning to practical problems. Read each scenario carefully, identify the relevant formulas, and organize your solution step by step. Practicing with such case studies will enhance your problem-solving skills and show you how math is used beyond the classroom. To wrap up, success in your Class 8 Mathematics Periodic Test-I depends on understanding the exam structure, mastering key concepts like squares, cubes, and algebraic identities, and practicing both direct and application-based questions. Remember to use your reading time wisely to plan your approach, attempt all questions as required, and make use of internal choices where available. Practice regularly with sample questions, review your mistakes, and focus on clear, step-by-step solutions. With these strategies, you'll be well prepared to tackle the test confidently and achieve your best results. Good luck.